What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be doing mini twists, and I have some beads and I'm going to put that on the end. Yeah, so this is my first time trying it and I don't want to look dumb, so hopefully it looks good. Even though I'm staying inside, it doesn't matter. But yeah, so I did half of it last night just so I could test it out. Because I've never done it before, and then I'm going to do the front half on camera so you can see, you know, my technique and stuff like that. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. Just keep on watching. I'm just showing you the back of my head because I already did that off camera, as you can tell, and then I'm just continuing to do the sides. And this video is kind of all over the place because I lost footage of the final result. So just bear with me. But anyway, I'm using rubber bands because I'm doing the rubber band method and using my own hair. So just continue watching.
What did you do to your head?
What do you mean what I do to my head?
Oh. Okay, bye.
Wow. Okay, so I actually added some Marley hair to this twist in the front because my hair is kind of thin here, so the twists look a little stringy. So I figured I'll add Marley hair so that it looks decent. So I'm gonna do it with the second one so you can see how I do that. So I have two Marley hairs, same thing. So I'm going to put the Marley hair directly underneath. I'm going to hold my own hair in the middle, top, and then here we're gonna start. You see I'm holding my hair right here. And then we're gonna just start to braid. Because you already have 3 little sections. So boom, I'm gonna do a couple of. Okay, so after I do like a couple of strands of braids, then I'm just going to turn it into twists because that's what this is. This is twists. And then right after I finish twisting to the shaft of my hair, I'm just going to cut it. And yeah, you'll see in a second that I accidentally cut the pieces a little too short. But it's okay. My hair will grow back. It's just a little tiny section. So it's no big deal. Okay, so this is how I went to sleep, and then I put the beads in the next day just to keep my hair stretched, but I lost all the footage of me putting the beads in, my outro, like with the beads and stuff, so this is like my footage from Snapchat. I hope you enjoyed the video though. As you can see, I really liked it. It was very different. I took it out after about a week, and then, yeah, so subscribe, like, comment, or whatever. Hope you enjoy the video, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.
Got 10 million bucks for shit that I ain't even do yet. You spent your money, but I ain't say I was your boo yet. You got your feelings hurt, I ain't really mean to do that. I'm just a bad bitch, I'm sorry I put you through that. I'm from New York, but we don't never say good morning. Ripping the block, and he don't come on till the morning. I always prayed to have a building with a doorman. Now I'm so busy, I gotta turn on these endorsements. Now I'm flaunting everything that I wanted. Remember a time when I couldn't even